How to set up two-factor authentication in Rabobank application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how to set up two-factor authentication in Rabobank. So first thing first, just head over to your Play Store if you're using Android just like me, and make sure you have successfully downloaded and installed the Rabobank application over here, and just open the application. And once you open the application, so if you haven't already, just locate the option within the app to register for secure code feature. As you can see, it's at the bottom of my screen. So now simply tap on that option, that is register for secure code. So once you tap on that, here you need to enter your customer number. So it could be anything. So you just make sure you use correct one and simply click on continue. And the app will guide you through the process of setting up your 6-digit PIN, which will be used to generate secure codes. So once registered, you will use the 6-digit PIN to generate secure codes within the app to log in to your internet banking. So just make sure that your mobile number is verified and that your device meets the necessary requirements, such as being able to access the app stores. And once you make sure of all of that, you should be successfully setting up two-factor authentication on Rabobank. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.